Loading ribbon. In this video, you will learn how to load ribbon into the printer. Open the printer. Remove the used ribbon and spindle. Keep the empty spindle. The printer needs to use Zebra Uni ribbons, universal ribbon. The printer requires the ribbon roll and empty take-up cores to have notches on both sides of the cores. Prepare the ribbon by removing the wrapping and pull the adhesive strip free. Adhesive strip. Insert the new ribbon roll into the lower ribbon supply spindle. Rotate the roll until the notches align and lock into the left side of the roll core. Install the take-up core into the take-up spindle. Rotate the roll until the notches align and lock into the left side of the roll core. Pull the ribbon leader up and attach it with the adhesive strip on the leader to the empty ribbon core on the take-up spindle. Rotate the take-up spindle until the ribbon is pulled tight across the print head. Close the printer.